Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be doing a brief demonstration of the Tomlov 4K digital microscope. I have quite a bit of other video equipment going on here, but here is what I currently have. I have myself on my Note 20 Ultra, and then also I can flip it over to my S24 Ultra, which kind of gives you an idea of my overall setup. Maybe not the cleanest, but it is definitely workable. As you can see here, I'm using my MacBook Pro with OBS Studio. It's an older MacBook. It's a mid-2012 running Catalina. But here is the Tomlov TM4K. It comes with the platform here. It's about 15 inches, a 10.1-inch screen, and it does have HDMI out. But now I should be able to go and put this picture in picture and switch it over here. And now we can see the output of the Tomlov. And this is what I'm going to be using moving forward for working on different circuit boards, for generators, for audio amplifiers, whatever have you. My eyes are not getting any better as I get older, but the first impressions of looking at this just on the screen, I'm just wow. Like the amount of detail, being able to see it in 4K on this screen. It's coming out as 1080p on the output here, but still for the ability to see all the details and, more importantly, the writing on a lot of these little tiny components that are not very big. It does have the ability to go and zoom in, but the lighting, I can adjust the lighting here, and then I also have the ability to focus it. But I think if I move it like this, like if I wanted to see what that component says, I think it might actually be just a lighting angle. Yep, there we go. So that's an XL SEMI. That is a step-down buck converter, I think. Because this chip was actually supposed to run a USB here that is no longer on this board. What we're looking at is one of the K-Line Technologies pedal power supplies, the CP205. And you can actually see, well, it's pretty zoomed in, but this is the power supply here, and this is just the cover, as you can see here. But wow, I'm pretty excited to be able to use this. And the clarity, I can't really ask any more of this. I mean, to be able to see even these are some of the smaller components here, to go and zoom in, and you can see that there is an S and an L on those MELF diodes. Very, very clear. Now, usually these capacitors, that's maybe about 2 millimeters big. That's a very, very tiny component. You can even see the solder joints very clearly as well. As I'm just looking at this screen, it's just absolutely incredible. And I can rotate this around a little bit to try to get closer to some of the area. Now, what you don't see is on this screen for the Tomlov, there's a picture-in-picture to where I'm zoomed in to what the camera is actually able to see. Is I can look past it and I can move to a different section. So if I wanted to see this right here, well, so you guys don't have to look upside down. Let's see if I can find this component here. All right, let's bend this back a little bit. It's an L7809, so that is a 9-volt linear voltage regulator. Wow. I would have not been able to see any of this stuff without a magnifying glass, and as I mentioned, my eyes are not getting any better. So we'll just go ahead and zoom that out really quick. And again, this is an unedited video. I just wanted to get an idea of how this was going to turn out. And you saw before that I have my microphone on the side of me. Usually if I'm going right up to the microphone, you can hear me a little better, but hopefully you can still hear me okay. This is what I'm going to be using, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy some of the hopefully updated and upgraded production value with some of these tools. Thank you so much again for watching and supporting the channel, and I'll see you on the next project.